Serial number and dates.
Hi there, Sushil here. Today's example I'm going to show you how do you put serial number and date in seconds. Normally we say number 1, enter, and then we press control and drag it. So don't do this way. So I'll show you the shorter way, that is a shortcut. Just keep a cell pointer here, 1, enter. Keep a cell pointer on this number 1 and press the shortcut key Alt H F I S and then click on columns 1 because I want to start from number 1. Stop value I want till 10,000, so that you can enter any number, which how much number you want, and you say OK. So you want to check it, you can just press control and down arrow key from your keyboard. See, till 10,000 the number is come. If you want to go on up, press control and up arrow key. So this was about numbers I showed you. So similar thing, if I want date, I want to start from 1st of January 2025 and I want till 31st December 2025. So instead of you typing it like this is now 1st of January, then if I'll write here 1-2-2025, then 1/3/, so instead of you typing it like this, so don't do this way. So I'll show you the shorter way which you can get it, that is a shortcut. Just type this date first. First date has to be entered, 1/1/2025. Keep a cell pointer over here. Again press Alt H F I S. Click on column. So you can see that it is automatically taken as a date because this is in date format. Day you have to click. Day unit should be day. 1 because I'm starting from 1st January 2025 till which date you want. For example, I want till December. That is 12, that is my month, slash 31 is my date, slash and 2025. So this is the format which in my system it is like this. First is month, day and then year. So now if I say OK, or you can press enter from your keyboard, so you should get it. If you want to check it, just press control and down arrow key from your keyboard. See, so I've got from, you want to go on up again, control up arrow key. So it will start from 1, then 2, 3 like this. See, I've got this entire, this is January month. After 31 it says 2, that is February. So like that it has showed me the entire year ka date is showing me over here. I hope you enjoyed this trick. Follow for more tricks like this.